Hi. Now, today I'm going to start a topics about 5 tips to be successful in freelancing in 2024. A niche and become an expert. Experience. Consider skill and interest. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Research the market. Is there demand for a skill in a particular niche? Test the waters. Start by taking on a few freelancer projects in your chosen niche to see if you enjoy the work and if you are able to attract client. Once you have chosen a niche, you can start to develop your expertise. Here are some few ways to do that. Online course or workshop. Read books and articles about your niche. Network with other experts in your field. Get involved in professional organization. Get certified in your niche. That means we should know all about that. And finally, after choosing a niche, we will be able to expert about a particular niche. Second option, build a strong online portfolio for getting successful in 2024 in freelancing. That means this will showcase your work to potential client and demonstrate your expertise. A strong online portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skill, expertise, and accomplishment to potential client to or employees in the digital world. If you craft portfolio serves as a digital storefront, highlighting your best work and demonstrating your value proposition. That means build a strong online portfolio. It is the second part to become a successful freelancing. Art, network with other freelancers and potential clients. This will help you build relationships and get your foot on the door. Networking is an essential aspect of freelancing as it allows you to build relationship, expand your professional circle, and uncover new opportunities. Here are 3 effective strategies for networking with other freelancers and potential clients. Online platforms, networking platforms. It is the first options. Second options, industry event and conference. Third options, freelancer communities and groups. That means 3 options for getting effective strategies for networking with other freelancers and potential clients. Fourth, set a competitive rate. Fourth number to become a successful freelancer in 2024. Don't undervalue your work. Charge what you are worth and be prepared to negotiate. Setting competitive rate as a freelancer is crucial for ensuring fair compensations for your work while remaining attractive to potential client. That means we should set up a competitive rate to become a successful freelancer in 2024. And 5, category number, deliver high quality work on time. This will build trust with your client and encourage them to hire you again. Total 5 key already discussed in this video to become a successful freelancer in 2024 and